To my channel Importance of Maths in Life. Already in the first video we have seen linear equation in two variable. I have explained you the term by the definition linear equation in two variable. This is the class, this is for the standard 10 chapter 1 SSC board linear equation for two variable. Now we will solve this simultaneous equation. See, solve simultaneous equation. 3a plus 5b equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 22. First we have to see whether the given equation it is in the linear form. We will verify it. Yes, it is in the linear form. 3a plus 5b equal to 26. Write it. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Name them. Name it as a equation 1. Second, a plus 5b is equal to 22, that is equation 2. अब हमको करना क्या है? अब हम now we will see the variable plus 5b plus 5b, it is same. When it is same, any one of the variable, whether it may be 3a or 5b, now we have absorbed it that plus 5b plus 5b it is same. It means what? We have to subtract the equation 2 from the 1. You have to write here subtract equation 2 from 1, means change the sign of equation 2. Plus sign will become minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus 5b minus 5b cancel. 3 minus 1 that is equal to 2a. 26 minus 22 that is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. A is equal to 2. हमने क्या किया? हमने इक्वेशन 1 देखे, इक्वेशन 2, इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 2 में प्लस 5b प्लस 5b ये वेरिएबल सेम था. ये वेरिएबल जब सेम रहेगा तो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम 1. चेंज द साइन. प्लस माइनस, प्लस विल बिकम माइनस, प्लस विल बिकम माइनस, प्लस 5b माइनस 5b कैंसल. 3 माइनस 1 वे that is 2a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 upon 2, that A is equal to 2. Put the value of A is equal to 2 in any one of the equation. Put A is equal to 2 in equation 1. 3A plus 5B is equal to 26. 3A plus 5B is equal to 26. 3 2 ja 6. Plus 5b is equal to 26. 3 2 ja 6. Plus 5b is equal to 26. Plus 5b 26 minus 6. Plus 5b that is equal to 20. b is equal to 20 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5 4 ja 20. b is equal to 4. We get the answer. Solution set that is equal to a and b 2 and 4. How we have solved this equation? Once again we will see. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Write down the equation 1 and equation 2. Observe it. Which one is the similar? Here plus 5b plus 5b. This variable is similar. It means what? We have to subtract equation 2 from 1. Change the sign of equation 2. Equation 2. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Plus 5b minus 5b cancel. 3 minus 1 2a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. A is equal to 2. We got the answer. A is equal to 2. Now we are having option. We can put this value A is equal to 2 in any one of the equation. I have put A is equal to 2 in equation 1. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A value is 2. 3 into 2 plus 5b is equal to 26. 3 2 ja 6 plus 5b is equal to 26. 5b is equal to 26 minus 6 20. b is equal to 20 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5 4. b is equal to 4. Solution set SS 2 and 4. Now we will see second type of simultaneous equation. X plus 7y equal to 10. 3x minus 2y equal to 7. Again it is the linear form of the two variable. Linear form of two variable. It is the equation linear form of two variable. Now we will see here x plus 7y is equal to 10. That is equation 1. Second I will write 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. We know. First we will absorb the equation. This is x and this is 3x. It is not equal. Again 7y 2y. Again it is not equal. This is the constant term. अब क्या करना है, ये परेशानी हो जाती है, इसमें कोई टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है. ये इक्वेशन में हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको मेक इट इक्वल. अब हाउ टू मेक इट इक्वल, वेरी इजी मेथड, इजी ट्रिक. How to make it equal? See the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is what? 1. Coefficient of x is what here? 3. It means multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1. कैसे मैंने इक्वल किया? x plus 7y is equal to 10, that is equation 1. 3x minus 2y equal to 7, that is equation 2. Here when the variables are not same, when the variable is not same, here x and 3x, here 7 and 2y, then we have to make it equal. And how to make it equal? Just see the coefficient. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 3 and cross multiply. 3 equation 1. Equation 1 will multiply by 3. Equation 2 will multiply by 1. Thus we will make it equal. Multiply the whole equation 1 by 3. 3 into x, 3x. 7 3s are 21y, 10 3s are 30, that is equation 3. Now equation 2 multiply by 1. 1 into 3x, 3x minus 2y, 7 1 is 7, that is equation 4. Now again it becomes the maths of first type. How? 3x 3x 21 2y. Here 3x and 3x is equal. Then what we have to do? Already we know. Already I have explained you. When the variable are same, then we have to subtract. Subtract equation 4 from equation 3. 3x 3x it is same. Therefore we have subtract the equation 4 from equation 3. Now change the sign. Plus sign become minus, minus plus, plus minus. 21 minus 2, how much it is? 21 plus 2. This is minus sign, but we have changed it. Minus is equal to plus, means 21 plus 2y. 21 plus 2y, that is equal to 23y. 30 minus 7, that is 23. Y is equal to 23 upon 23, 1. Y is equal to 1. We get the value of y. Y is equal to 1. Now we are having option. You can put the value of y is equal to 1 in any one of the equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. X plus 7y is equal to 10, that is equation 1. X is equal to 7 in x plus 7 is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 minus 7, x is equal to 3. Solution set. X and y, x is 3, y is 1. I hope you have understood. In this maths, in this type of simultaneous equation, what we have done, we have make it equal. How to make it equal? इसको इक्वल कैसे करना है? इसका जो कोफिशिएंट सामने में रहेगा उसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देना. इक्वेशन 1 को 3 से, इक्वेशन 2 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ यू विल गेट द आंसर. y is equal to 1. Put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. x plus 7y is equal to 10. x plus 7 1 just 7 is equal to 10. x is equal to 10 minus 7. x is equal to 3. Solution set. You get the value of x and y. x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. This is the second type of simultaneous equation. How we will make it equal. Next type of simultaneous equation we will see. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Again this is the linear form of the equation, but here what? See, 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. That is equation 1. Second, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. That is equation 2. Now we will see This is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. I have explained you कि make it equal. अभी make it equal means what? X के सामने 99 है और x के सामने 101 है. When we will multiply this number, you will get a huge number. There will be the confusion. What in this type of simultaneous equation, observe the equation very carefully, and what we have observed here, this is the cross, this 99 and this 99, and this 101 and this 101. In the cross the numbers are same. Leave the constant term. When you will find in the simultaneous equation, when this cross 99 and 99, 101 or 101, in this type of equation, when this cross are same, then then cross are same, then this in this type of simultaneous equation, what we have to do? Add the equation and subtract the equation. How to add it? You know, equation 1 and equation 2, add it. 99 plus 101, that is 200x, that is 200y, that is 1000. See the coefficient here. Here the coefficient is 200. Then divide the whole term with this 200, whatever the coefficient it may be. Now here, when we add the equation 1 and 2, we get 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. Now the coefficient is here 200. Divide it, cancel 5. X plus y is equal to 5. That is your equation 3. Means what? When the cross when the numbers are same, then we have to add the equation. Now again write equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1, 101x. Equation 2. Already I have taught you what? Add the equation and subtract. Now we have to subtract. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Change the sign. You will get minus 2x. Here plus 2y. Here minus 2. 499, 501. Means coefficient of x is what here? 2. Subtract, divide it. 2 cancel, 2 cancel. You will get minus x plus y. We know minus, divide the coefficient by 2 cancel here 1. What we get here? Minus x plus y equal to minus 1. See, when x is here negative variable, first sign cannot be negative. Therefore, change the equation. X minus y equal to 1. Means you have to change the sign. See, compare the equation. Compare equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 is what? X plus y is equal to 5. Equation 4 is x minus y is equal to 1. In the first video, पहले वीडियो में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था. सी x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Here plus y and minus y itself it is cancelled. When itself it is cancelled, variables are cancelled by itself. Then we have to add the equation. Means equation 3 and 4 we have to add it. X plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. That is equation 3 and equation 4. We observe the simultaneous equation. हमने simultaneous equation को देखे, plus y और minus y itself it is cancelled. In such type here, let's add equation 3 and equation 4. Now plus y minus y cancel. X 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 2. X is equal to 3. Now put the value of x in any one of the equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will choose the equation 3 because it is easy one. Put x is equal to 3 in equation 3. X plus y is equal to 5. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2. We get the answer. Solution set. What is x is value 3 and y is value 2. Already I have explained you how to check the answer. Now in the simultaneous equation we have seen all type. First add, in first video I have explained you. In second, in the running video, first we have seen the subtract, second, and then how to make it equal. उसको equal कैसे करना, cross multiply से equal. Now in this type, when crosses are same, here 99, 99, 101, 101. In this type of the simultaneous equation, you have to add it once, add, and in next time you have to subtract it, and thus you will get the value of the answer. Now we will see practice set 1.2. Practice set 1.2 is what? Complete the table to draw graph of equation. Here x plus y is equal to 3. This is the given equation. Here x is equal to 3, y we have to find out, x, y 3 and 0. In such type of equation, what you have to do? Write the equation x plus y is equal to 3. Simply I have written x plus y is equal to 3. See vertically. In vertically the x value is 3. Put this x is equal to 3 in the given question. Put x is equal to 3. 3 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 3. Y is equal to 0. What you get answer? Here the y value is what? 0. Easy है, simple है, कोई ये नहीं है. X plus y is equal to 3. It means what? This is the given equation. See the vertical column. Vertical x is equal to 3. Put this value in the equation. X plus y is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3. 3 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 3. Y is equal to 0. Similarly, इसी तरह से again we will write x plus y is equal to 3. Here y value is what? 5. Put this y value is equal to 5. Put y is equal to 5 in given question. X plus 5 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 minus 5. X is equal to minus 2. What you get here? X is equal to minus 2. Write down minus 2. See here very carefully. X and y means first you have to write the answer value of x and then y. Why? Because x and y. X is what here? X is here. X is minus 2. Write down minus 2. Then y is equal to 5. Similarly here y is equal to 3. We know here x is equal to 0. You can put this value in this way or find the answer, or you can write straight way. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. Means x is equal to 0. Complete the table to graph of equation. It is very easy. Here what I have done, x plus y is equal to 3. I have written the equation x plus y is equal to 3 लिखो, और जो वैल्यू दी हुई है x की वैल्यू 3 है, वैल्यू पुट करो, you will get the answer. 3 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 3. Y is equal to 0. Similarly in second, x plus y is equal to 3. Put y is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 minus 5. X is equal to minus 2. Here, but write x and y. First we have to write the value of x and then y. Here 0 and 3. X is equal to 0 and 3. Now in this video I have explained you how to solve the linear equation in two variable. Now in the next class or in the next video I will explain you how to solve the Cramer's rule of this chapter only. Cramer's rule. I hope you have understand the concept. Your concept is clear. You should like this video, subscribe and share it as much as possible. If any doubt, you can write comment, or you can say whatever your problem. Surely I will solve your all the doubts.